Yo, this song is from Kasur Moka, Step 1, Arewa Music Industry. Yo, we need artists and have artists. We also need upcoming artists. Yo, let's join together. Yeah, Kasur Moka, Step 1. Yeah, Arewa Music Industry. Artists, let's join together.
Kasuwar mawaka Step 1 Arewa Music Industry. Kasuwar mawaka Step 1 Arewa Music Industry. Kasuwar mawaka Step 1 Arewa Music Industry.
Kasuwar mawaka, we are the best. Kasuwar mawaka, we need the artists. Kasuwar mawaka, we have the artists. Kasuwar mawaka, because we are the latest. Kasuwar mawaka, we join together to sign in and sign out. Is there small thing to love in and love out? Is there little things to love is to help? We are greatest. We have artists. We have followers. We have fans. We have lovers. We have sense. We are not artists. We need not artists. We are not boys. We are not girls. We have no case. People they like us and they respect us. They want to help us. They want to join us. They say we are helping people like Red Cross. We join together with popular artists. We join together with upcoming artists. We join together with low bass artists. We join together with house artists. We join together with hip hop artists, rap and blues. All we are together. Kasuwar mawaka, duniyar mawaka, matattarar mawaka, mai taimakon mawaka. Ku zo mawaka ga duniyar mawaka. Kasuwar mawaka, dandalin mawaka, mawakan arewa. Ku zo mawaka ga duniyar mawaka. Duniyar mawaka kuma kasuwar mawaka, dandalin mawaka. Yo, kasuwar mawaka ce, kasuwar mawaka, dandalin mawaka.
Kasuwar mawaka, kasuwar mawaka, kasuwar mawaka, Arewa Music Industry. Kasuwar mawaka, kasuwar mawaka, kasuwar mawaka, Arewa Music Industry. Arewa Music Industry. Arewa Music Industry.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, this Kasuwar mawaka helping artists. We need to cooperate so that we help each other. Yo, no side artists. We need to join together. Yo, Kasuwar mawaka, no side artists. We have to move together. We need to join together. We need to join together. We need to move together. We have to cooperate so that we have each other. We need to move together, guys.